Hi everyone, my name is Laura Delakai, and I am currently enrolled in the Introduction to Environmental Health course with Dr. Young. Um, just a little background about me. I grew up in Massachusetts. I currently still live here. I grew up in the Merrimack Valley of Massachusetts, currently living on the South Shore. I have worked in local public health a little over 3 years now, and I serve as the assistant director in a local town in Massachusetts down on the South Shore. Prior to holding that title, I held the title of health agent within that same town, and specifically, my job focused all on environmental health from recreational waters like bathing beaches, also ponds, swimming pools. We did housing complaints with occupants, food safety, subsurface sewage disposal, design and installation, which is also known as septic plans, tobacco, body art, tanning, you name it, we cover it. Also serves as the animal inspector for the town. I guess my favorite area of environmental health currently is food safety. I think it's just very fascinating what we've come up with food safety and how we can strive to be better with it. It's just a constantly evolving field, and I really enjoy that aspect of environmental health at the local level. Just a couple facts about me. I enjoy running. I used to run in high school and college for cross country and track. Then I got out of it for a while, but now I'm finally getting back into it. Um, and I have a cat named Calypso, and she's right over here sitting in the window. And yeah, and in the summertime, I enjoy going to the beach and going for hiking, walks, biking. I really enjoy anything outdoors. And yeah, feel free to message me if you have any questions. Very nice to meet you all. Thanks.